Today I am going to give you a huge source code of the web page I made for free, which you can use for your college projects or anything else. Here is what it looks like. Amazing, isn't it? I am a student and I made this in my vacations. I'll show you its features ahead, so don't skip the video.
It has two themes, but mainly white and black. Any other files are linked like blogs, projects, which are quite functional. You can sign in and it even stores the files you upload. The search bar works well. You can explore the other features on your own. The files link are given in the description for free, and please subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow.